So in a kadai on medium flame, add in 3 teaspoons of oil, add in 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 Javitri, and a pinch of cinnamon powder. You can also use half-inch cinnamon. Fry this for about a minute. Once the fennel seeds start to splutter, add in 2 split green chilies. Fry this for about 30 seconds. Now add in 2 medium sliced onions, also add in 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and a teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix all this well. Add in a teaspoon of salt, which helps the onions to fry faster. Combine well and fry till the onions are brown. Once the onions have browned, add in 4 medium sliced tomatoes. Combine well and fry till the tomatoes are mashed up. Once the tomatoes are mushy, add in a bunch of coriander leaves and a handful of dry pudina leaves. You can also use fresh pudina leaves here. Turn the flame to low. Combine well and fry this for about a minute. Now switch off the flame and allow this to cool down, and grind this into a fine paste like this in a mixie jar and keep it aside. Now in a medium cooker, I'm on low flame. I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of ghee, 1 star anise, 3 cardamoms and 2 maratha moggu. Also adding in 1 bay leaf. Before that, I'm adding in 5 to 6 cashews. Fry this for about a minute or 30 seconds. Now add in the paste. Keep the flame as low here and fry this for about a minute. Now add in a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix this all well. Keep the flame as low. Now I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of frozen peas. Also adding in 100 grams of washed methi leaves. Try not to put the water, just drain the methi leaves out of water and put it into this cooker. Mix in well. Cover and cook for about a minute. So you can see that the methi leaves are cooked well. Add in 4 cups of water. Two cups of washed jeera sambar rice. Salt as per taste. A teaspoon of biryani masala powder. Combine well. few drops of kevra water and a tablespoon of ghee. Close the lid, put the weight and allow this to pressure cook for about 3 medium whistles. After the medium whistles, switch off the flame, allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. Now your Menthya Pulao is ready. Give it a good mix. Serve it hot, and the side which you can have it with is raita or curds. Enjoy!